Welcome to day 6. Woo! Today is a travel day.
Yay! We are heading out of Arizona and into Utah.
We're going to be going to Hurricane KOA near Laverton, Utah.
Really just the southwestern corner of Utah.
Yeah.
We're excited about this because we're going to meet up with a pastor and his family and do some service projects in the area. So you won't want to miss the next few days.
We're going to be doing some service. Woo!
You excited? We have somebody in the background here. He's waiting for mommy to get in the car.
Our Summer to Service Minute today is brought to you by our friends, the Boudreaux. So this is from my friend Doug Boudreaux, and we met him while traveling on the road. I'll read what the post says here. I spent the day serving with Habitat Flathead Valley. I learned a lot while helping complete a house to benefit a family here in Flathead. I was putting siding on a house, something I have never done. It was a win-win. Doug is such a kind person. I just wanted to highlight this as a way that you can get out there and serve.
If you are interested in joining us in our Summer to Serve campaign, we have t-shirts. You'll find the link in the description below for our Teespring store. All the proceeds of those shirts are going to go to a charity of the DFAM's choice. You do not need to purchase a t-shirt to find a service project and do. Just take a picture or a little short video and post on social media using the hashtag Summer2Serve21. We look forward to seeing what you have done.
Having for dinner?
Sausage and cabbage. We're so Irish. Oh my, phone call. How are you? Oh, I'm just about to serve dinner. We are having sausage and cabbage, all prepared in my Instant Pot. I love one-pot meals. Of course, for sure. Gonna toot the whole place up. Lots of gas.
I don't like that so much.
Jimmy is gonna put some mustard on your plate for you. It's almost out, huh?
It is out.
We're all done with dinner. I got the laundry started already. Super important to take advantage of laundry facilities when you have them. It's been 5 days of boondocking, so we've got the laundry. Technically, I did laundry on Friday, and now it's Thursday, so it's only been like a week, and that's about how often we do it. But I feel like we've made more dirty laundry. We probably have, just because of boondocking.
The kids are dust muffins. They attract every ounce of dust in an area.
All right, so come along with me to the laundry house, and I think we're gonna go and hang out and do some activities. It is still light outside. We have changed the time zone, but the kids are still like, let's do something. nice when the RV park you're at has laundry facilities. But who knows what you get. Here, we've got a lot of machines that are out of order. So I was lucky and I got all 3 of our loads in. One load down, 2 more to go. All right, they're in. Now I'm gonna go play. Eddie, what is you doing?
Eddie, can you be one of my obstacles?
Oh my.
Okay. Give it a yeah.
Oh no.
I'm practicing right now. I'm practicing.
How's your game?
Pretty good.
Putt-putt golf is pretty fun, huh?
Fun putt?
Putt-putt golf?
Oh yeah, but I wish
Pretty
that
fun.
there was different obstacles, like a train set or something.
Oh
Mommy,
yeah. This
go.
is a no frills golf
Mommy,
course.
but the one thing is, it keeps rolling. Oh my gosh,
Keeps
that's
rolling.
a little too. Mommy, my best is a hole in 2.
Nice.
I got hole in 3 on most of them though.
I officially beat everybody's high score with a 95.
You were keeping track. No. Congratulations, you beat children.
I did.
Mommy, put me higher.
Put you higher.
Put me higher. But it's too low. I'm gonna hit my feet when I hit the ground.
Is that high enough?
No.
No, not high enough? You want to go higher? You
No.
want to go lower?
Mommy, look.
The day is coming to an end. The wind has died down a little bit. We're very thankful for that. And we have been busily planning our day for tomorrow. You guys, we have to be up and out the door at a very early hour for us.
Before 9 a.m. We have a 20-minute drive to get to where we need to go tomorrow. So we need to be there before 9.
We get to go help at a food pantry. We are super stoked about that, and we can't wait to bring you along with us.
It's gonna be amazing. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always,
Live
live life
intentionally.
intentionally. I don't know what.
You paused at a strange time. What?